JJ? Oh no, there they are. They're hanging over the stage.
May mo naman ta siyang balik mga
Finally, you're here.
kasuki ay wala ka subog siyang ubra sa salakyan. Gamit natin ang straw sang soft drinks kay kanugon man nga yaboy. Hindi mo tali sa balik para mapuslan.
It's a big deal. We'll eat whatever you cook us, but please let them go.
Let's see if you like the food this time and get to your takeaway. Alright, let's add this. We'll mix the food from the trash and throw it in the pot too. Okay.
Sayang man ang straw nga ginahaboy lang.
Oh, I think it's
Kaya may kabalungan ta maghimo siyang banig.
those two.
Mahimo tayo balik nga straw ang materials naton.
Like someone's having a nice dinner tonight. Done.
Ew, JJ, that smells disgusting.
Bon appetit. I hope you like it.
We gotta eat, Mikey. We gotta save our friends.
Oh no, it smells bad. I can't take it.
Hey, this looks pretty good. I think it's worth a try.
It's not bad.
Ini nga abilidad ginhalin ini sang apon iloy nga kabalo sa magiging banig.
Is it good?
Kaya
It can't be. It must be
nagtuon
bad.
man ako, kabalo man ako mahimo sa banig.
Try it yourself. It's the best I've ever had.
I agree. I think it's the most delicious pizza in the world. It has a nice flavor and a soft crust.
Well then, finish it and I'll destroy it.
Abilidad nga halin sang iloy ta. Kaya pangimo ang iloy ko sa una sang banig.
What is it?
Kaya na sunod kuman.
You got nowhere to go, Freddy.
Oh no. What's going on here? Get off me. Who are you?
Stop right there. I'll catch up with you anyway.
Only a few more minions to turn. So, are you ready? Minion. Now you'll be my minion. Listen to me. Alright. Well, I wonder where the other minions are. Finally. Whoa, who's that?
Who are you? What do you want from me? Let me go.
It's not a minion, but let's see what happens.
No, don't. Whoa, 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 whoa. What happened? What? What am I doing here? Who are you?
Now you'll only listen to me. Ouch, what? Why didn't it work? Stop.
I can do whatever I want now. Hey, jump.
Kaya diri lang kita kutog mga amigo. Dahil naman kay ubos na atong lilas pag inubra. Hari o kalo. Natapos ko naman
Tomorrow is going to be an interesting day.
kalo.
Of course I'm ready. Let's go to bed, shall we?
Ginubra ko ni. Kaya kanugon sa straw.
Who could be ringing our doorbell this late?
Mahaboy man lang.
Let's check it
Kaya
out.
This is weird, but
sinuunta
let's
ni
check
para
it out.
mapuslan ka.
Okay, who is this? Oh,
A policeman? Evening, what's up?
Mikey, JJ, be very careful today and tomorrow. Something broke